Hello Pierre, it's Zurab here at Voss Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2006 Ducati 749S. The motorcycle has 9,400 kilometers and its price is $83.88 plus HST licensing. The bike comes with the brand new tires. These are Dunlop's Q3 Plus, and the rear tire is the same. It's a brand new tire, Dunlop Q3 Plus. It has a Zardi exhaust, has some carbon covers, the wheel hugger here too, the aftermarket clutch cover on it, little carbons on the side here. The motorcycle is in absolutely perfect condition. The paint is perfect, so for the year I don't think it can be even better than this. If you have any question regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.